Welcome to my channel. Netgear Nighthawk Wi-Fi 7 Router RS300 Setup. Download the app, install the Nighthawk app on your iOS or Android device. Connect the hardware. Attach the provided antennas to the router. Use the included Ethernet cable to connect your modem to the router's Internet port. Plug in the router's power adapter and turn it on. Wait for initialization, allow the router's Wi-Fi LED to light up, indicating it's ready. Access Wi-Fi settings. On your mobile device, navigate to Settings Wi-Fi. Connect to the router, select the Wi-Fi network name, SSID, displayed on the router's label and enter the corresponding password. Launch the app, open the Nighthawk app and follow the in-app instructions to complete the setup and establish an internet connection. Use the included Ethernet cable to connect your modem to the router's Internet port. Plug in the router's power adapter and turn it on. Connect to a computer. Using another Ethernet cable, connect your computer to one of the router's LAN ports. Access the router interface, open a web browser on your computer and enter http://routerlogin.net in the address bar. Log in. When prompted, enter the default username, admin, and password. Run the Setup Wizard, navigate to the Advanced tab, select Setup Wizard, and follow the on-screen instructions to configure your internet connection. Thanks for watching.